Yeah, so you can see here. So WebDriver is tool for testing web applications. You are able to make powerful tests with WebDriver faster than Selenium RC. So there's two things. There's the Selenium RC, which looks like this. There's a RC, and then there's a WebDriver that's called Selenium IDE, which it doesn't use programming. But if you want to use programming, you have to use WebDriver. So there are web drivers for Firefox, Chrome. For every browser, they have you have different ID web driver. So you have to go in the Java, and you have to open Selenium. You have to open Java Eclipse, because Eclipse is where they will let you edit. You can write the code, and you can write conditional statements. So you can go to the website, and then you can go down to how to install the WebDriver first driver script. So this will show you how to do first driver script here. So here's you have a WebDriver. You are verifying its title, then you can print out the result. So to do that, you have to write this code. This code means here you're getting the Selenium WebDriver. This code means you are getting the property. This is the name of the driver, WebDriver.gecko driver. And this is the location where the driver is stored. So it's in the C drive, and this is the exe file. So then it will load the Firefox driver, and so when you hit run, it will open a Firefox browser, and it will start editing all this stuff. So it will go to this website, demo.guru99.com/test/new tour. So it will go to the website, and it will tell you the title. This is the title, and then you can get that URL, and then once you go there, you can check, compare the actual title of the page. So here you're checking the title of the page. Is it passed or is it failed? So here you're checking, here it is passed, here it is failed, kind of situation. And here you're doing the importing packaging. So here we're doing org. Here you're doing the OpenQA Selenium, which contains the WebDriver class needed to instantiate a new browser here. And you are launching the browser, and here you are comparing the expected and actual values. And here you're running the test. So you have to go in the browser and hit run. And when you do that, then it will, this is the function called find element by locator. So what you'll do is you'll go here, find element by locator, and you'll put an email. So this is the ID of the email. So it will find that tag for you, and then it will print out what the tag says. It will give you the output. So see here it's saying input. So it will give you the tag name input, and it will print it out to the console window. So it will give you printout of input, because that thing says input. So these are all the other functions you can use. You can do it by ID, by CSS, by partial, link test, XPath. So these are all the things. So the WebDriver does not support the containing keyword when used in the by.css select. So var equals driver.find element by.css selector font password. So here it will cause an error because of the CSS thing. So this is the login. Here you're getting the login element, and then you are doing stuff to it. You can get it, get title, get page source, get text. Here you can do navigate. If you want to go to a specific browser, then you can go to navigate to and go to that specific browser, and then you can close and quit. So if you want to understand, so these are the kind of code you have to write, which is down here. And then if you go inside the frames, then you'll see all this stuff happening. And then there's other stuff going on. There's wait, implicit wait, and explicit wait. You can put some timer, and it will wait for a couple of seconds or something to make it happen. And this is element to be clickable. This is username, and here's view frames and stuff. So this is the web element text box under username equals username and stuff. And here we're getting by.class name, by.css selector, by.id, and all this stuff. So that's all the stuff that's going on in Selenium. If you want to look in more detail, you can go down here and how to. This is the first driver script. Then you can do locators, find element in Selenium, forms, how to do forms, how to do checkbox and radio buttons, how to do those things, how to click the images, how to do images stuff, how to link, how to do tables, how to do drop downs. So these are all the things you can study, that what code you need to write to do these particular things. So that's on Selenium. So